Aviation Square, a weekly news update brought to you by the AIRBUS GUY in association with iflyacademy, a one-stop solution for aviation jobs. Boeing, as a part of Confident Travel Initiative, developed the UV wand prototype to successfully disinfect flight decks and cabins. UV wand has shown to be effective at neutralising pathogens. Testing of UV wand against COVID-19 is in full swing. Sanjay Madhya, founder of Flybig, a pilot turned entrepreneur, is planning to pair the startup regional carrier with a revived Jet Airways. Jet Airways has sold its few assets and has reacquired 6 of its Boeing 777-300ERs recently. The airline paid $13 million to take ownership of the 6 aircraft. AirAsia has received letters from its shareholders that they would make endeavors including infusion of additional capital if required to assist in meeting the airline's financial liabilities at least up to March 2021. AirAsia Group said on Tuesday it would begin charging customers a fee to check in at the airport counters, in part to encourage them to minimize physical contact with the staff during the coronavirus pandemic. Description box for the Instagram handle of iflyacademy. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to the AIRBUS GUY. We will be back with another exciting news update next week. Thank you.